another art project. So today I decided, it's been a long time in the works, but I'm finally going to be painting my living room today. So, and it's going to be a really cool ombre effect. So I've already got my paint and everything. I just wanted to walk you through the process in case any of you out there were ever interested in doing an ombre, whether it's on your wall or whatever else you're painting. I did something similar to it on the cornhole boards when I was doing the sunset effect. If you haven't already seen that video, go check it out, or wherever it is on my channel, somewhere. So anyways, this is the wall I'm working on. Today I'm just going to be showing you at least one wall, and then I will show you eventually the final result of the entire thing. We'll do that too. But for right now, I just want to show you, because it's going to be the same thing on every wall. So I'm just going to show you what I'm doing and how this is done. Alright, so to start off, all you see is a bunch of whiteness, right? Okay, so let me back up. This is the wall that I'm working on. This wall, okay? Alright, so I already have the outlet cover removed. I have patched up any little nicks that I was able to find in the wall so that we have a good smooth surface that's already sanded. I did wipe it down as best as I could, but I do have kids and they have colored and whatever all over the walls, which is why they need to be painted. So anyways, what I did is I took this whole wall and I measured it from the top of the baseboard to the ceiling. That was 93 inches. So then from there, I divided that by 3 because I have 3 colors. And I have already done my marks. So what I did is these little marks all along the wall, right here. I marked 31 inches. So 93 divided by 3 is 31. So we have 31-inch marks here and here. So this will be my middle section and top and the bottom and so on. So next step for me to do is have a board or a ruler or something and just draw a straight line. So we have 3 lines going across the whole wall to divide it, and I will show you that. Alright, so you can see now where I have the lines across the whole wall, dividing it color by color. And next, I have my drop cloth and everything down, and unfortunately, because this is an ombre wall and I can't have multiple textures, meaning roller and a paintbrush, and I have to be able to blend the 2 colors together, which means I have to hand paint with a brush this entire wall and my entire living room. So that's why it's going to take a very long time. So, and also, unfortunately, they were sold out of the 4-inch brushes, so I only have one of those. And I have these 3-inch brushes. So not only am I hand painting it, I'm hand painting it with a 3-inch brush. So this is the color. We have a nautical themed living room, so, and everything is like beachy and all of that. So we're doing this, and then it's going to be some green, seafoam green kind of colors further up. So right now I'm going to go ahead and paint this whole thing all the way up until about here, and leave a little bit of the white space in between the 2 colors for blending purposes. Alrighty, well the first color is done. I also did the door frame, the dark color as well. And now I'm starting on the second color, which is this one. And in case you wanted to do something similar, these are all colors from Walmart because, you know, that's just where I get everything from. This first dark color is called Niagara Reef Jade. And then the second color I'm about to do is called Sea Glass Green. And then the third one is called Miami Grass. So that is that one. Those are the colors. You could also do it where you just follow the different colors on a whole swatch and do your wall like that. But, you know, I'm different, so I went with my own combination of colors. So we'll see how this turns out. There is the sea glass. It is the sea glass green right there. There. So I'm going to put this on the second section, and then we will also blend the first two together and see how that turns out. That is such a beautiful color. I'm just like, that's so pretty. I did do 2 coats of this one, and we'll do 2 coats of this one before I do the blending section as well. So I have finished the green all the way across. And now is the fun part of blending the 2 colors together and making that really good transition. That is where it is gonna really make it look good. So let's do that now. For that, I have my 4-inch brush, and we're gonna do half this color and half this color. Do a double dip kind of thing, and just make a mess everywhere at the same time. And that is how you blend an ombre wall. Next, I have to do the third layer, so let's get that started and see how that turns out. Alrighty, so the top section is done. I did use an eraser to erase the line in the middle, and now I get to blend the 2 together. Alright, well, it is still wet, so it looks a little patchy right there, but it's just because it's wet. But this is the first wall of my living room complete. The transition from light to dark. And there you go, I did a little bit over the door as well. But I still have so much more to go. This was 1 day's worth of work. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm not going to wait because I want to get this video up to really show you guys how this turned out because I'm super excited about it. But I hope you guys do like it. Give it a big thumbs up if you do like this video. Let me know if you try it out for yourself or if you have any questions. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. I'm super happy with it. I have so much more to go. It's gonna be a long week. So anyways, I hope you guys have a good day. And don't forget to, if you're not already, subscribe for more awesome videos. You never know what I'm gonna post. So I will see you on my next one. Okay, bye.